Baby!
It's a new day and a new way to show you how much you mean to me. I don't mind if it takes forever for you to see. Oh, how I prayed each night and day.
Sa'yo!
Kigets ka na.
Tama na.
Ayan.
Oh, tapos, gusto lang namin magpasalamat sa'yo at batiin ng mami mo ng Happy Mother's Day.
Yes, thank you, Sheila.
Meron ka bang gustong imbitahan sila?
Are you working on something ngayon to?
Or social media accounts?
Parin pala ang hanap-hanap tarapap na kahit magpanggap di matatago na ang iyong yakap ang hanap-hanap.
Okay.